we want the Lysol.
The Lysol
The
wipes.
Lysol wipes.
Yes.
Yeah.
We have it.
Have it?
Personal
Personal care?
Beauty
Go
right
straight
here.
up to
Behind
the
here is
hallway.
beauty. On the side of that,
Okay.
personal care.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
We just want to be cautious, especially going on a cruise ship. There are people from everywhere, so better to be safe than sorry. So we got our hand sanitizers. We're grabbing some wipes. Yep.
Gotta be safe, guys. Gotta be safe.
Hey, so we just made a quick stop just to get a few items. So now we're on our way now, eh? We just need to find this. We just need to find this cab. Where is he? Downtown Miami. Yes, there's a ship. There's a ship right there. Yep, with the X on it, Celebrity Cruise. That's it. So we are approaching the cruise ship here, North America way. Yes, yes, sir. Yes. Thank you. Alright, give me the bottle. So we are at the cruise ship here in Miami, downtown Miami. She's too excited, look at her. She's too excited. Said we should go straight down and make a right.
Alright, go ahead.
Thank you.
You gotta give him his passport though.
Okay.
Even if it's risky, I know.
Okay.
Step to your right. Step to your right.
Hey guys, so you must be saying that we are crazy to be going on a cruise amid this COVID-19 crisis. But we actually got married in February and our honeymoon was booked long in advance. So when we heard about this COVID-19, we had to make a decision. Our decision to go on this cruise was based upon three things.
The fact that the outbreak wasn't affecting the areas that we were traveling to.
Yes.
It was at the time confined to China, Italy, other areas of Asia.
Exactly. The cruise line also issued travel advisories and let the passengers know that they were banning persons who were coming from potential countries who are affected. So once your country is affected, you'll be banned, and once you're traveling through those countries, you'd also be prevented from entering the ship. So that gave us confidence.
Also, we took a lot of steps. We bought hand sanitizers, and we ensured that we kept ourselves safe.
Exactly. So we did not touch any surfaces that were not necessary. We did not touch our faces. We took extra precautions,
and we wash our hands quite a lot.
Exactly.
Right.
And two, being on the cruise, we found that there were sanitation stations everywhere.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sir,
Oh, right.
Adrian and Cassandra, right?
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good, thank you.
I get a blurry vision, but then what ends up happening is like, it's usually my left side. It goes numb, and then I just can't.
All right, so we've gotten our appetizers. What did you say, babe? What soup is that?
Cream of mushroom.
Okay. And French onion soup. I actually was gonna go for the cream of mushroom as well, but then I basically buck up the French onion soup. One of my all-time favorites, you know. With the croutons and the melted cheese. Most of them put provolone, but they have a great cheese on it at this point. Is that similar type of cheese to what I'm used to, the provolone? So.
Oh, so you was asking me about the bread, right? So normally I'm not a fan of bread or carbohydrate staples, but their bread is actually pretty nice. So I find it to be very appealing, and the sauce that the spread that they have to go along with it is awesome as well. So I'm actually enjoying that. So he was actually asking me, "Oh, come you're still eating bread?" I was like, "Well, it's pretty nice. It's the best I ever had." You know?
Yeah. So I was saying that
kudos to that.
the cooks actually they bake the bread fresh. Everything is from scratch on this cruise ship. Nothing like pre-done from any bags or processed stuff. Everything is all freshly made.
New York steak is coming, that's raw. It's coming only with the butter.
Okay.
It's really soft and good.
Good.
Okay, enjoy. Bon appetit. Some horseradish with this. Horseradish.
So this is pork chop. They call it homestyle pork chop. It's actually like battered. And then of course you have the what do you have again?
Rib.
Beef, right? Rib of beef. I was expecting probably like a rack, right? Probably a six rib rack, So the iced tea comes unsweetened, and you have to put in the desired amount of sugar,
This side.
Thank you.
It's good.
Thank you.
Bon appetit.
Thank you.
How was the beef, babe?
It's good.
Good. All right. Yes, so this is deck 4 at night time. It's now past 10. It's lovely out, It's a good view, very romantic, and of course there's Carnival cruise ship right across. I don't know if you could see from this video. Right across there is Carnival Cruise. Apparently we're going in the same direction. They're probably also going to Key West. Right, we're going in the same direction right now. At this deck number 4 is where the lifeboats are. See the water. Lifeboats. Stuff like that. Level 4. So we're gonna head back down to our level 2. There's a smoking area right outside here. There's an elevator, so we're gonna head to that right now. Head back home. Alright, so we are at level 4. Running 105.
Excuse me.
Woo! Woo! Look at this. I was not expecting this at all.
Nice.
Look at this. Amazing. Wow. Keeps getting better.
I know, right?
Keeps getting better. Wow.
This is nice.
This is lovely. This is lovely. Probably we should turn this way. What do you think? Amazing. This is nice. Celebrity Cruise is really, they're doing a good job, you know?
Yep.
So they're aware that we're on honeymoon, so, you know, they add a little touch. Yeah. Nice. Nice. So what do you think?
I think it's great.
Mm.
This is nice.
And of course, the roses there.